Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The Google Pixel 10 lineup's official launch is coming soon. Google Pixel 10 lineup will include 4 impressive models with impressive features. The new upcoming Google Pixel 10 and Google Pixel 10 Pro new leaks revealed. Launch date, pricing details, design and phone specifications. Here's everything we know so far. So let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Google seems all set to refresh its new Pixel lineup in a big way in a few weeks. According to multiple leaks, the new Google Pixel 10 lineup is likely to be unveiled at the Made by Google event, expected to happen on August 20th, 2025. If the leaks are to be true, we'll be seeing 4 impressive models: the basic Google Pixel 10, the Pixel 10 Pro, a Pixel 10 Pro XL, and a folding variant Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold. In terms of color options, the basic Google Pixel 10 might come in fun shades like Iris, Limoncello, Midnight, and Ultra Blue. Meanwhile, the Google Pixel 10 Pro is tipped to launch in more sophisticated colors: light porcelain, smoky green, midnight, and sterling gray. In terms of smartphone's characteristics, both the Google Pixel 10 and Google Pixel 10 Pro are expected to feature a 6.3-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support. Powering the phones will likely be Google's all-new Tensor G5 chipset, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM. They're also set to launch with the latest Android 16 operating system and, impressively, could offer up to 7 years of software and security updates, a big win for users looking for long-term support. When it comes to camera setup, Google literally adding a twist. The upcoming phones may feature a telemacro function, letting users shoot macro photos using the telephoto lens, instead of the ultra-wide one. It's a more refined approach and could mean sharper, more detailed close-ups. While the Pixel 10 Pro might carry forward its existing camera hardware, expect a noticeable boost in AI-based photography features, especially with Google's growing focus on generative AI. The new Google Pixel 10 could start at around $900, while the Pixel 10 Pro might be priced at $1,200. If true, that places them right in the middle of the premium flagship range, and keeps them competitive against the likes of Samsung and Apple. New reports claimed that Google is gearing up to launch its Pixel 10 series lineup at the Made by Google event on August 20th, 2025. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.